Interestingly, it all disappeared with the builders. Fully insulated all the walls again, so it's now C-rated EPC. The kitchen is really interesting. All those little things you don't think about as a landlord until it's too late. So I want to give you a bonus end tip to get the best possible valuations. Finally, we have completed the refurbishment on our famous porn house. You can watch what it looked like and why we call it the porn house here now. But let's take you inside and show you what the finished article looks like. So come on in, everybody. I'm with Anna. So Anna and myself have took on this property. We've completely refurbished it. So I'll take you around and show you what we've done. As I said, make sure you watch the first showing of this. It is the porn house. There was like boxes of it, especially up in the attic, loads of it. Interestingly, it all disappeared with the builders. So in here, we basically went all the way back to brick, fully insulated all the walls again. So it's now C-rated EPC, future-proofed it with a high energy rating, new floors, new radiators, new walls, plastered, painted everything. One touch we always like to do on all of our single lets is we put blinds and everything on the windows. So the tenants don't have anything to do. It looks really nice, nice curb appeal the minute they come in. New internal doors, pretty much everything, Anna, completely new.
Yeah, new rewiring and new plumbing.
Sitting room, again, same thing, everything new. The only thing we've not put in is the lampshades. We've got the smoke systems, again, plastered throughout. Something a lot of people don't do is to finish the basics, like under the stairs. We've literally completely finished everything. The floor runs through under as well, so it looks really nice. Even the door for the storage is a brand new door. The kitchen is really interesting. I would love to take responsibility for this, but I can't because this was all Anna. This might look like a brand new kitchen, but Anna, do you want to just explain what you did?
Okay, basically this kitchen was when looking back when we bought. It has got magnolia gloss doors. We just take it out, all the doors, all the end panels, just change the end panels and front door, clean up the cupboards couple times, change the hob, oven, cooker hood, sink and the worktop.
So basically all of these cupboards are not new. New worktop, of course, new cooker, new hob, but the cupboards themselves are the original drawers. It's an old new kitchen.
Let's create a utility area for the wash machine, so you can use the worktop and put the dryer on top, so they can use both ways. We've completely ripped out the bathroom, fully tiled the bathroom, changed all the plumbing, new bath, sink, toilet.
One thing we always do as well in bathrooms, and it's just a little bit extras for two reasons. Number one, the valuation, but also the tenant appeal when they come into the house is the vanity units to make it look really nice. And even just the mirror, so it looks nice, but also the tenants don't have to worry about having to buy anything. They're not drilling holes in our new tiles, fitting something. And all those little things you don't think about as a landlord until it's too late. Make sure you think about them first. Let's head upstairs. So this is the main bedroom, new carpets throughout, feature wall, all painted and decorated, again, all plastered, new pipework. So all the plumbing, everything is completely new all the way through. Again, blinds on all the windows, new windows as well. Top to finish, everything you can see is new. This was one bedroom. So when you came in here at the top of the stairs, you had a bedroom and a door, into a second bedroom. So what we've done is created a wall, created a corridor, made a second bedroom, but with a corridor that leads through up to a third attic room. So turning basically a 2-bedroom house into a 3-bedroom house. And this bedroom is still huge.
Yeah, and then space go woven there.
Blinds again, built in the boiler. So the boiler, again, a lot of people leave the boilers. But what we've done is we've built the boiler into a nice little cupboard. It looks clean, it looks tidy, it looks new.
For kids, it's going to be a kids' bedroom. They don't have kids, the kids will go over and pack the boiler because it's hidden in the cupboard.
We've got a nice little yard that when we purchased the property, we didn't even know how big the yard was because it was completely overgrown. And we've just put a nice new fence panels up on the fence as well, just to separate it from the neighbouring property. So this is the attic room, which is now a huge, big bedroom, massive space. It is 2 floors away from the main bathroom. So you got 2 bedrooms on the middle floor. They can go downstairs to the main bathroom. Obviously this is 2 floors away. So what we've done is we've fitted an ensuite in here. So really nice ensuite, beautiful space, vanity unit for the sink, and again a mirror over the sink so the tenant's not drilling holes in their own walls. It's almost as big as the actual bathroom downstairs. It's a really large space. So the numbers on this property, let's go through them. We've purchased it, 86 grand. We've spent about 34 grand on all of our costs, so around 120 all in. We're looking at a valuation of between 140 to 160, so it'll likely come in around the 150 mark. Now, if it comes in at 150, 75% loan to value mortgage will be 112.5 grand. Spend 120, mortgage of 112.5, leaves about £7,500 in the deal. We're renting it at
895.
895. Have we had viewings already?
Yes, we've had 11 viewings already.
11 viewings already at 895. Lots of interest. Now on a 112,500 mortgage at 5.89%, the mortgage rate will be £552 a month. Renting it out for 895 will give us £342 a month. Over 12 months, that's £4,100. Leaving about 8 grand in the deal, that's a 50% return on cash employed, all money out within 2 years. And we didn't even have to fit a new kitchen. But how do we prepare to get the best possible valuation? So I want to give you a bonus end tip. We always prepare a valuation pack for the valuation, and we always make sure we meet the valuer. Now, when I say we, quite often we means Anna. So what pack did you prepare for the valuer?
Basically, my pack is quite thick. You've got photos before, photos during the refurb, and photos after. Then we've got a very detailed specification of the work, including all the prices we've paid, so the valuer can see how much value we added to the property.
Just really important point here on the valuation is that pack of documents, don't understate how important that is, the before and after pictures. Because you could walk in here and you could look around the house and not realize the amount of work that went into the hidden stuff. And the valuer will look at the purchase price, what you paid for the house. When he looks at the purchase price and then walks in and has a look around, he might look and see that we bought this, 6-7 months ago, and go, oh, they purchased it 6-7 months ago for 86 grand. Well, why would I value it at almost double? So he wants to see those before and after photographs so he can see what's hidden in the walls that he can't physically see with his eyes. I've known valuers to come into a property and say, well, I can't see you've insulated it, so I'm going to cut a hole in your wall. So what we do is we leave a section where they can physically go in and do an inspection to see that that insulation has been done.
Then I provide the information about the properties which are currently selling on the market with the 1 mile around, so they can have the comparison. They don't have to go on Rightmove and look for them. Also provide the around 5-6 properties as a comparison for rent. And then I provide as well information about the tenant, what kind of tenant we get into the property. If you're changing any windows and door, provide them FENSA certificate, because this is very important when you're doing refinance. They require all these documents in file. Otherwise, they're going to count them as a average, not new.
Certification, documentation is so important. So get yourself a valuation pack and make sure you show up for your valuation. It makes a massive difference because you can answer questions for the valuer there and then. But don't try and be smarter than them, because always remember, the valuer is the smartest person in the room. If you like the finish of the property, let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Do you like what Anna did with the kitchen without having to replace the entire kitchen? If you also want to see the last video where we talked about how we increase the energy performance rating, you can watch this here now. I would like to get you moving on your property journey. There is a completely free report. It's in the pinned comments in the description. It can get you the knowledge that you need so you can start to do projects just like this. Go download it now, and I'll see you on the next video. She's been Anna, I've been Kevin. See you soon.